Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to split audio and move sections around in Audacity. This is a super useful skill for editing podcasts, music, or any audio project where you need to rearrange different parts. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Audacity application on your PC. Once the app launches and you have your audio file loaded, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see various tool options available there. Click on the selection tool, which allows you to precisely choose where you want to make your edits. This tool is essential because it gives you control over exactly where your audio will be split. Now place your cursor at the exact point in your audio timeline where you want to create the split. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy. Once you've positioned your cursor, click on that spot to mark it. This tells Audacity exactly where you want to divide your audio into separate sections. Next, in the top left corner of the screen, click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options. From this menu, hover your mouse over audio clips and you'll see additional options appear. Select Split from this submenu. This action will divide your audio at the point you selected, creating separate clips that you can now manipulate independently. After splitting your audio, you'll want to move the sections around. Hover your mouse over the clip you want to move, positioning it near the blue line at the top of the clip until you see the cursor change to a hand grab icon. This visual change indicates that you're ready to move the clip. Click and hold, then drag the clip either to the left or right depending on where you want to reposition it. This flexibility allows you to completely rearrange your audio structure however you need. You can repeat these splitting and moving steps as many times as needed for your project. For example, if you want to add your split audio to another track for better organization or layering effects, here's what to do. In the upper left corner, click on Tracks. Hover your mouse over Add New and you'll see several options appear. Select your preferred option from the list, whether that's mono track, stereo track, label track, or time track, depending on your specific needs. Once you've created your new track, hover your mouse over the clip you want to move until you see that hand grab cursor again. Click and drag the clip down to your newly created track at the bottom. This technique is particularly useful when you're working with multiple audio elements and want to keep them organized on separate tracks for easier editing and mixing. And that's it. You've now learned how to split audio and rearrange sections in Audacity, giving you complete control over your audio editing workflow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.